Menterang ba ke jelau Conrad Sangma mentagasngi uloong bagi sorkar kan syem mikilat kilenti ban ai jengerap iki Kolej sorkar ban Pyntreikam ya ke NEP. Abakrench kila patai khubor hadien ke jengelang jong kabinet u Conrad uloong ba Baroh ki Kolej ki belai penyesno ki hab ban Pyntreikam ya ke polisi bethamai jong ke puli puti. Namar ke long ke babhatam na ke bentagi kena puli. U Conrad uloong ru bagi sorkar kamla ban ai jengerap Baroh ki deficit college namar ba ki don la ka jong ka bo penyait bat kinong bai tingka ula pensyai ru ba om don lat da kumwei pat bat ka jela ka hab ban jam shikmat bat ke NEP Henry kamut pat ban Pyntreikam ya ka dah ka bor
to move ahead with this. Whether it will happen now or it will happen later, that's something that the Education Department and Nehu will discuss with the respective colleges which are affiliated to Nehu, which is almost all of them. And hence that discussion will happen on a case-to-case basis. There is no opposition to the NEP. Everybody knows that it is in the best interest, and hence everybody agrees that it should happen. Number two, everybody also understands that there's a huge challenge to it. It's not that it's easy. All transitions are difficult, and hence we will have to ensure that whatever challenges are there, we have to